Shoulder pain? Right? It's one of those things that can really mess with your life. Whether you're tossing and turning at night or struggling through your daily routine, it's tough to ignore. But here's the good news. There are simple, practical steps you can take to ease the pain, get better sleep, and support your shoulder throughout the day. Let's dive into some solutions you can start using right away. Understanding shoulder pain. First off, let's talk about why your shoulder might be acting up. The shoulder is a super complex joint. It's a shallow socket that allows for all those amazing movements like lifting, rotating, and reaching. But this flexibility comes at a price. If the joint gets misaligned, even slightly, it can become sensitive and painful. Here's something you might not realize. Rolling onto your sore shoulder during sleep can pinch nerves and cut off circulation. Ouch! This can make an already irritated joint feel even worse. That's why it's so important to pay attention to your alignment, not just during the day, but while you sleep too. Common causes of shoulder pain. Shoulder pain doesn't usually come out of nowhere. Here are some common reasons it might be happening to you. Rotator cuff injuries. These are super common. They happen when the muscles or tendons around your shoulder get inflamed, strained, or even torn. Impingement syndrome. Ever feel like your shoulder gets stuck during certain movements? This happens when the tendons get pinched between the bones. Tendinitis. Tendons are the tissues that connect muscle to bone, and when they're inflamed, it can feel like a constant, nagging ache. Bursitis. Your shoulder has small, fluid-filled sacs called bursae. When they're inflamed, even small movements can hurt. Arthritis. Over time, wear and tear can cause stiffness and chronic pain in your shoulder joint. Understanding the why behind your pain can help you figure out how to manage it. Recommended sleeping positions. Let's face it, when your shoulder hurts, sleep can feel impossible. But avoiding the wrong positions and finding the right setup can make a world of difference. 1. Avoid sleeping directly on your sore shoulder. Sleeping on the side of your sore shoulder puts unnecessary pressure on the joint. This can pinch nerves, restrict circulation, and worsen the pain. If you're a side sleeper, try creating a pillow canal. This is a fancy way of saying you should use a small throw pillow alongside your regular pillow to support your head and upper body. By redistributing the pressure, you can take some of the stress off your sore shoulder. If staying off your sore side feels tricky, roll back slightly or pull your shoulder forward. These small adjustments can help keep your joint in better alignment. 2. Avoid stomach sleeping. Are you a stomach sleeper? Stomach sleeping is a big no-no for shoulder pain. This position twists your neck and shoulders into unnatural angles, putting strain on the joint. Instead, try sleeping on your back. Use 1 or 2 pillows to support your arms. Just make sure your arms aren't propped up too high, as that could cause additional strain. 3. Avoid improper arm positioning while back sleeping. Even when sleeping on your back, how you position your arms matters. If your arms are propped up too high, it can create strain on your shoulders. Stick to a neutral position by placing a single pillow under each arm for light support. Feel free to experiment. Different pillow sizes and arrangements might work better for you. When it feels right, you'll know you'll wake up feeling more rested and less sore. Daytime shoulder support. It's not just about how you sleep. What you do during the day matters too. If you spend hours sitting at a desk or working on repetitive tasks, these tips can help. Adjust your workspace. Make sure your chair's armrests are at the right height to support your shoulders. If they're too low, add a cushion or pillow to lift them. Use pillows for support. When you're seated, place a pillow under your sore arm. This simple adjustment can relieve tension in the muscles around your shoulder blade and neck. Additional tips for shoulder health. 1. Ergonomics matter. Good posture isn't just for looks, it's essential for shoulder health. Keep your shoulders back and down and avoid hunching forward. Adjust your computer monitor so it's at eye level. This small change can prevent you from straining your neck and shoulders. 2. Regular breaks. Sitting in one position for too long can stiffen up your shoulders. Take a break every hour to stretch, move around, and get your blood flowing. Incorporate some gentle shoulder stretches into your routine. Even just rolling your shoulders a few times can make a difference. 3. Gentle exercises. Adding some simple exercises to your day can help strengthen and stabilize your shoulder. Focus on movements that target your rotator cuff. If you're not sure where to start, consider physical therapy or follow guided exercises designed for shoulder rehab. 4. Heat and cold therapy. Use heat before bed to relax your muscles and improve circulation. A warm compress or heating pad can do wonders. For flare-ups or inflammation, switch to a cold pack. Just 10 to 15 minutes can reduce swelling and provide relief. 5. Mindfulness and relaxation. Stress can make shoulder pain feel worse. Try mindfulness practices like deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation before bed. A calmer mind can lead to better sleep and better healing. Dealing with shoulder pain doesn't have to be a never-ending struggle. By making small changes to how you sleep, sit, and move throughout the day, you can find relief and promote healing. Whether it's creating a pillow canal, adjusting your workspace, or adding gentle exercises, these strategies can help you get back to feeling like yourself. And remember, sleep is crucial. Without it, your body can't repair itself properly, and the pain might stick around longer than it needs to. Action steps. Here's how you can start easing your shoulder pain right away. Just follow these simple steps. 1. Fix your sleeping position. Use pillows to create a supportive setup, whether it's a pillow canal for side sleeping or extra pillows for back support. Avoid stomach sleeping to reduce strain on your shoulder. 2. Support your shoulder during the day. Adjust your workspace and use pillows to keep your shoulder in a comfortable position, especially if you're seated for long periods. 3. Incorporate gentle care. Try heat therapy before bed to relax your shoulder and cold packs during flare-ups. Add light stretching or shoulder exercises to your daily routine to build strength and mobility. So don't wait. Start experimenting with these tips today. You deserve to wake up refreshed, pain-free, and ready to take on the day.